How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working on iPhone. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you fix this problem. First of all, force quit and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double tap if you have the home button, then swipe away Microsoft Authenticator to close it and simply reopen the app. Once done so, all you have to do is check the internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and long press on the Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, then switch to the mobile data. Now once you have confirmed the internet access, simply go back to the home screen again and this time look for the App Store icon available in your home screen and simply tap on it. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar and type down Microsoft Authenticator and hit enter. Now from the list of the app, tap on the Microsoft Authenticator and tap on the update icon available there and update it to the latest version. And still, if this is not working, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and delete the Microsoft Authenticator app. Long press on it and confirm the deletion. And once you have deleted, all you have to do is open the App Store again and re-download it on your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.